Hi friends, welcome to Tinu's U-Book. Let us see how to put darts and give kurta a really good fit. This kurta is bought from Sanskritam and Instagram account. This is a soft cotton fabric. Now place the kurta inside out or with the wrong part shown out. Place the measurement tape and find the chest line and divide into two and mark the center. Draw a line through the center and this is very important. Mark a line through the center. Here it is easy for me to draw the center line. If you find it difficult, just fold the kurta into two. That gives you the center line. Now mark the bust length from the shoulder and draw the bust line here. Similarly, mark waist length from the shoulder and draw waist line. Mark hip length and draw hip line also. Now as you can see in the thumbnail, the kurta is loose at the armhole and the waistline. Rest all measurements are good. So I decided to put back darts here to reduce the waistline and give the kurta a good fit. To reduce the armhole, I have stitched at the sides of the kurta by taking in 1/2 inch. Now find out full chest round divided by 10. Full chest round means place the tape around the chest and note the measurement. Here it gives you 36 inches. Now full chest round divided by 10 equal to 3.6 inches. Mark a point 3.6 inches away from the center on the bust line, waist line and hip line. As we already know, a straight line has been drawn through the center of the kurta. So from that point, mark 3.6 inch away. Mark 5 inches above and below the waistline. So the total length of the dart becomes 10 inches. Also, this for the smaller size people, we can go for an 8-inch dart, and for the taller people, we can go for 12-inch darts also. Next is the width of the dart. Here the width of the dart that we are going to mark is 1 inch. So mark 0.5 inches towards the left side and right side. You have marked a point 3.6 inch away on the waistline, right? From that point, mark 0.5 inch towards left and towards right. So you have 4 points now, 5 inch above and below 2 points, and the width of the dart forms on the waistline. So 0.5 inch at the left side and the right side. So altogether you have 4 points. Join the 4 points and that becomes a diamond. The same procedure is followed for the front darts also, but the only difference is you have to leave 2 centimeters down the bust line and then start the dart. This is how the dart looks like. Now next is stitching the dart. Hold the two corners or 2 points like this and then fold it into half. Using pins, secure it properly. So now we have 2 darts here, each dart to 1 inch wide. So totally 2 inches will be reduced from the total waist round. This is how you have to pin the dart. And once you have pinned it, you can start stitching. When you stitch, make sure while at the beginning and the ending of the stitch, do not use a reverse stitch to secure the stitches. Instead, make a knot with the tails of the thread available. Stitch along the marked lines so that it forms half the shape of a diamond. And once you have joined, it will look something like this. The 2 darts are ready. Now iron and press the 2 darts either towards inwards or towards outwards. That's it. Thanks for watching. Happy sewing.